We came home from work very late, very tired, and very hungry. Wala nang energy at time to cook for dinner. So we decided to just have a pizza. This pizza house has just opened couple months back. You will see now if their pizza is really good as they claim. We were told to wait for about 10 minutes for our order to get served. So we took this video while waiting. Pinoy ang pizza maker dito, dalawa sila.
Si Daddy nag-aantay ng order ng pizza. Ang pagod na kasi. Ito na lang hapunan namin. Bagong bukas na Pizza Hut.
Finally, we got our order. Tara, uwi na tayo. This pizza house is just about 200 meters away sa aming tinitirhan. Maraming mabibiling pagkain dito sa paligid namin. May kapsahan, roasted chicken, shawarma, may pilapil. Kaya hindi problema kung hindi ka makapagluto, may mabibili sa paligid. Our dinner, supreme pizza, tea, and yogurt. Kain tayo!